Hello! Welcome to today's video. We're going to be shooting these things up to the air, and then we have to catch them. Okay, if it's one hand, it counts as 2 points. 2 hands, just 1 point. I have a scorekeeping app over here, Kylan and Bradley. So, okay, I'm going first. I'm gonna shoot it up in the air, and then I have to try to catch it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got 2 points. 2. Yep. Okay. Now what we're gonna do? Well, we're doing the same thing. Okay.
Maybe we should cheat and not shoot as high. Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Those are my 2 points.
Yep. Those.
Look at this.
Oh God.
Oh, it's still going.
Okay, when I shot it, it got in the trees.
Where?
In the trees, I don't know where. Okay, we definitely could not find it in all those trees over there. Yeah, that's a lot of trees. So what we're gonna do now is go get another one. Oh no. Bye. Okay, we got another one. And what we're gonna do now is not aim it at the trees. And I'm gonna go one more time. Oh!
This wind's everywhere. Get.
That's why I stay. Oh, crap. Where is it? Okay. Two points.
Shut up. And go. Screw this. God dang it.
Oh. Okay, that doesn't count.
That was the fakest fall ever.
Where's that little shooter thing? Man, you suck. That really hurt. Where's my other shoe? Oh, it's over there. I hate you. Point, man. That was a 2 point.
2 points.
I went like this.
I know you died for it, but I died for it. My knee made an indention.
Okay, I'll give you another.
What? No, hold on, look. No, look at my knee.
9-4.
Look at my knee indention.
Fail. Dang it. Does that count as a restart? That sucks.
I mean, you did screw it up, I guess. Two hands.
Oh, just one. Okay. That hurt. The final score is I win. Yeah! Oh God. I just threw my phone. Okay. Let me get back the score and show you. Okay. Here was the final score. 12-7. Okay. Apparently I win. Okay, touch it as much as you want now.